I've got a confession to make, guys. First thing I did when I took this thing out of the case, this is the GoPro Hero 8, was to try and fit into my previous GoPro case. I was trying to ram it in and I was really struggling to put it in. I was cussing GoPro thinking, you want me to spend more money? You did an Apple on me. You want me to spend more money, don't you? No, they don't. They made it really easy. It's there. On with the video.
Get me wrong, I'm not buying it though. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bad as you. I'm looking for.
Hello again, guys. I'm Alex. If you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a quick look at the GoPro Hero 8, where I will share my first impressions. But Alex, how much does it cost? I'm glad you asked. Well, at the moment it costs about £275 on Amazon in the UK, and that is about $350 US. So it has actually come down in price quite a bit since it was first launched. Here's a quick video I did earlier today, as soon as I got this out of the box and struggled with a case, where I just thought I'll give it a go, just kind of driving to work, and did a very quick video just to get my first impressions as quickly as I could to you in this video. We're here.
8 hours later.
Let's go home. Also, here's the mandatory few seconds of a box being opened. First impressions. As I said, I still have my Hero 7, and to be honest with you, it's still going strong. One problem I have with the Hero 7 is battery life. I do wonder if that is going to be any better on the Hero 8. You know, the annoying beep 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 noise that you get, and the sudden realization in the middle of that epic footage that you're doing. That the battery has drained, especially if you forget to bring an extra battery with you, or if you're like me and you don't have an extra battery. so you've only got one, and the charge only lasted about 45 minutes, which is what my Hero 7 was doing recently. So my first impressions in terms of playback footage, because after all, that is what we care about, right? I have to say, I didn't think they could improve much from a Hero 7, but boy have they improved this. This is incredible. As you can probably see, I mean, I haven't done much with it yet, but I wondered if, when I came back to watch it, if I had the extra boost stabilization feature turned on, but I realized it was actually turned off. I think we're going to have, to work really hard to make this thing produce anything remotely shaky. So yeah, I'm still mind blown. It's incredible how smooth the footage was. As you can see, I haven't even started to put it through its paces yet. They have new accessories options that you can attach to it, which will make vlogging, for example, a lot easier. More quick loading accessories like flashes, microphones, LCD screens. There's a lot more that you can do with this version, which I'm really happy about, because this is a beast for extreme sports. I mean, if you've got young kids, you want to film them going on a bike ride, and it's a great tool. You can attach to your car, which I do sometimes. It's fantastic for that. Did I mention it is now waterproof out of the box? I mean, I just can't wait to give that a go in the summer. So guys, please stay tuned and subscribe, because I will be putting this bad boy through its paces. Maybe I'll go racing. That's a bit of a clue, isn't it? Maybe that's what I do. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Click the bell thing so that you know as soon as I've done it, you get a notification and you can see what I've done with it. Right guys, a very short video this week. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you at the next one. Boom. I hope to see you all again real soon. Peace and love. Peace and love.
All these busy people, all these busy people, all these busy people.
I don't need instructions. Instructions.